Be blessed by the divine. Today, let us think about the philosophies of life by Vedatriya. Somewhat I was remembering Maslow's theory. Vedatrian philosophy has 12 philosophies in it. Three needs: hunger and thirst, sensation of heat and cold, excretion of waste. Hunger and thirst is the most important need for all the living beings in the earth. Whenever somebody is hungry, it is our duty to take care of this hunger. In this whole world, there are so many people who are so hungry, and there are so many people who are overfed. This hunger has to come under control. There are so many children in some countries, so many people die without even having one meal per day. You know, when we are hungry, we have seen that so many people drink water, some people put wet clothes on their stomach. Ghrelin hormone is produced in hunger. Same thing when we are fasting, it is our mind control. Whether it is intermittent fasting or continuous fasting, through our mind control, we are able to manage this hormone. So it is our duty not to be so hungry, eat right food in right quantity at right time. Thirst. Thirst is also one of the important need. At least 2 to 3 liters of water we have to drink. When we are not drinking so much of water, it's also leading to many diseases. Just by drinking water, we can control a lot of diseases. Our whole body, almost 80% is made up of water. Next comes the sensation of heat and cold. It's our duty to maintain the normal body temperature. You see, now in this situation, in this pandemic period, everybody's temperature is being checked. It's almost the same. Just by 1 or 2 degrees, it may be high, 1 or 2 degrees, it may be low. When it is high, it's fever. When it is low, we feel very cold. That is how we are having beautiful houses to take care of ourselves from this heat and cold. When the heat is too much, we have hypothermia. When the heat is very high, again we have medical issues, dehydration. They come as medical emergencies when the heat is really too much and they have not drank so much of water. Same thing when it is too cold, they go into hypothermia, and they may, if the hypothermia is too much, they may even go into gangrene. So we should have a proper house, proper clothing to protect ourselves from these 3 needs. It's important, excretion of the wastes. See, when you feel like passing urine or when you feel like emptying your bowel, you cannot do anything else. Your mind is continuously on that till you pass your urine or empty your bowel. It is the ecstasy, the happiness you feel. That is why we have to have a proper bowel movements and proper time to complete our urination also. These 3 needs are for everybody. The next comes 3 protections. We should all have protection from 3 things. One is protection from other living beings like lion or tiger or scorpion or snakes. These days, even other human beings, each human beings, we have to protect ourselves. In the family itself, we have to protect ourselves from other family member. In the self itself, we have to protect ourselves from different parts of the organ. We have to take care of different parts of our organ. The mind keeps telling, I don't like my legs, I don't like my hands, I don't like my skin color, I don't like myself. There are so many things. Our own mind is not accepting ourselves. That is the most important thing. We have to protect from the other living beings. And the next protection is from the natural disasters. Now we all have an example that we are all facing pandemic. We all have understood what is this natural disaster. Just by social distancing and By wearing masks and keeping ourselves clean and healthy, we can take care of ourselves. It is the human mind pollution which is causing these natural disasters. The flood and these volcanoes and global warming is all caused because of human beings. Next, we have to protect ourselves from accidents. These six are common for all. The next six comes only for the human beings. Three virtues: morality, duty, and charity, and three knowledge: faith, understanding, and perfection. Morality, duty, and charity is also our duty. We should have a disciplined life. We have to take care of ourselves, our family, as well as the community and the world. And it is our duty to take care of everything. What we got from the society, we have to give it back to the society. At least 1% of our earnings we have to give as charity. Charity can be given in the form of money, in the form of food, in the form of knowledge, and so many things. And three, knowledge, the faith. We should have faith in the divine. Bhakti Yoga helps to improve our emotional quotient as well as other understanding and perfection. Different knowledge on different subjects helps us to take care of ourselves. So these 12 philosophies of life are so important. Vedatrium has given us such a wonderful but simple way of life. Be blessed by the divine.